Oh, I'm getting hit, getting hit, getting hit, getting hit. There we go, y'all. God. Oh my God. Stay out of the rocks, big girl. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! That's a very nice sheepshead. Oh! Oh, hooked up. Hooked up. It's all good. Do you think he's 12 inches?
Yeah. Here, you want to stab him?
Hold on.
Oh, okay, well, he's dead anyway, so.
Woo! So as y'all just saw, I just caught my first sheepshead off of these Destin West jetties. And my brother Miles just took a picture of me and got him in the bag. The sun's setting, it's gonna be kind of hairy running back on a lot of rocks real quick, but we're gonna make do and get this guy filleted up, and he's gonna taste good. And hopefully we can get another one real quick. All right, y'all, so I'm with my brother Miles. We just had a great meal at Dock on the Island, and we were walking out here to the Destin West Jetty. I caught a single sheepshead the other day right as we were running out of fiddler crabs, and we're gonna try to get some more today and get some nice fillets before we head back to school. Pretty busy day. It's beautiful for this time of year. It's like 70 something degrees here in early March on a spring break, so hopefully we can get on them. All right, guys, we're here on the jetties, and there's some stud sheepshead that we see that keep swimming right under. Oh my gosh, there's some freaking giants right here around this structure. There's a little bit of wind, but I'm trying to get a good bait presentation and see if I can't get one of these chunks. Oh, biggin, biggin, biggin. Hooked up, hooked up. Oh. Oh, he's a tank. He's a tank. Oh, I gotta keep him out of the rocks. Yo, I'm hooked up to a stud. Oh, no. No, how did he spit the hook? What happened? No. That one looked like a 5 or 6 pounder. Do you see him come up? Yeah. Awesome, man. Appreciate it.
Be safe getting back.
Yeah, safe walk back. All right, y'all. So I just had a big stud come up. I missed him. We're about to try to redeem myself here with the big one. I've just been kind of overcasting it a little bit and keeping my line low so that the wind doesn't really drag it in too far. And then I've just been maintaining a tight line and trying to feel for it. But the only sheepshead, I haven't even really felt any of them. The only ones I've gotten so far, I've just kind of gotten lucky, but hopefully I can get another one. Oh gosh, y'all, it's a pig.
Oh my God.
Hooked up, y'all. I'm just gonna try to keep the pressure on him. Try keep my rod up. Try not to let him get in any rocks. Just gonna play him really carefully here. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh Lord, he's trying to. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a leap of faith here. 17-pound line. Hopefully it's not frayed. Oh, easy does it. Easy does it. Holy crap. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Holy cow. Miles, can you get me the red stringer in the bag or something?
Man, I can pull that.
Let's go, y'all. That's a very nice sheep's head. Very, very nice. Woo! There we go, guys. I just caught my first sheep's head of this this excursion today out here on the West Jetties, and he's a freaking chunk. Oh, I'm getting hit, getting hit. There we go, y'all. Hooked up, number 2. Oh, I'm trying to keep his head up out of the rocks. I'm gonna keep my line up. Oh, he's gotta be big. He's gotta be big. I'm gonna take it easy. Oh gosh. There's so many rocks here. I'm trying not to let my line get frayed. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. He's cranking. Oh my God. Come on, stay out of the rocks, big girl. Stay out of the rocks, big girl. Let's go. Let's go. No. No. Oh, oh no. Oh God, y'all, I don't know how the heck I'm gonna beach this one. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, the hooks. Oh, I've got to try. All right, little test run. Oh no, I just got splashed. All right, y'all, gonna try to flip him. Let's go. And look where that hook was barely through the meat, y'all, barely through the lip. That's awesome. Second nice sheep's head. Second keeper sheep's head. Oh my God. Oh, and he just missed one. Awesome. There we go, y'all. Check out that fish. I guess he's a big male. That looks like a bunch of fish milk. That is fantastic. Those are some awesome fish fillets and a great reward. That makes this whole walk worth it. Very, very cool.
Let's keep these crabs too.
So this is how we're doing it, guys. We are using some light Carolina rigs with fluorocarbon, and we are pitching our fiddler crabs that we're using for bait out here on this underwater rock that's kind of a few feet off of the jetty. We walked all the way out here to some deep enough water until we kind of started seeing them. As you can see, Miles is wearing some polarized glasses, as well as a good looking Mississippi State hat and Hale State. And we've been, just like you saw him there, pitching it out. We've probably been using 1 ounce sinkers, I would say, lead egg sinkers. And that's allowed us to keep our baits right in the strike zone along this rock ledge, and allowed us to keep our line tight so we can feel these light biting fish. That first fish that I caught, I didn't even feel it bite. I just happened to start reeling up on him and he was there. So, you know, that's always a nice bonus fish, but we like to try to feel him as much as possible. Just like that last fish, I'm lucky that when I pulled it up, the lip meat didn't pull off. It was just barely hooked, which is why I'm glad I switched to a thinner wire shank hook, which I think helped get the hook through easier. But oh man, it's been awesome so far. We've got 2 big sheep's head, and hopefully we can catch some more out here with Miles and I, and catch a couple more sheep's head and get. Oh, all right guys, Miles has got a big one. Nice. I just went over to go check on our stringer, and Miles has got a big one. Oh, just keep the line up. You don't want the line to get frayed. You want me to pull him up?
If you want.
You can trust me, or oh, keep the line up. You just don't want it to get frayed.
Yeah.
All right. Oh. Okay. Sweet. Yep. Oh. Hold the.
You got him.
Yep. Nice.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Woo!
Did it burn crap right there? is that from the...
No, that's I think that was a male.
Okay, cool.
Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Yeah. Go. Come step on him. Come step on him. Hold him sperm. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Hold on. Let me put my rod down up here.
Yeah. Nice. Did you feel him? How'd you get him?
I felt him.
So you felt him just tap.
Yep, tap, and then it felt like I was hung up.
Yeah. Was he right around the structure?
Yeah, to the right of it.
Nice. All right. Let me go get the stringer.
Yes,
Nice.
sir.
With a little bit of lip meat. Got him on.
Yeah,
Got him on, baby.
Look at his teeth.
Yeah. It's pretty nuts.
Hell yeah. Here, will you take a quick picture with me and him?
Yeah, I would just let him free hang. I just saw him right there. Oh, look at that shark. No way. No way. No way. Look at him right there looking for our sheep's head right. Y'all check out this shark that's coming in real close. Oh my gosh. Look at that. We could pitch a fiddler on his nose, see how long that lasts. Oh my gosh, look at him. No way he goes over this close rock. No way.
No.
Miles, he's coming right up on the rocks. Oh, I just got bumped. I missed my shot. Got him!
What?
Got him on a sand flea, Little guy. Oh God. Oh God, he's on the rocks, I think I can swing him up. There we go, guys. Oh, he's hung up in the rocks,
He might have to, he's not a keeper, I don't think.
No way.
Keeper?
I don't know, let's measure him. I mean, that's the 12 line right there in between the 1 and the 2.
All right, zero's right at the front of him, so that's...
Hell yeah, he's a keeper.
Good.
Hell yeah. 12-incher.
On a sand flea?
There we go, y'all. Yeah, that was on the dead sand flea. There we go, guys. So I just caught the 4th keeper sheep's head of this trip out here on the West Jetties in Destin, and just hit him with the tape measure, and sure enough, he's 12 and a half. So he will be joining his big siblings with on a ride home with us in the fillet bag and tag. There we go. Meat. these are my 3 fish, y'all. Pretty nice sheepies, for sure. I'm stoked to fillet them. This is gonna be some beautiful meat. I've actually never taken the breast meat or this chest. They call them wings. I've never actually taken the wing meat of some fish before, so this actually looks really good. I'm stoked to clean that up a little bit and give y'all a live taste test, maybe even later tonight. Oh, yeah. Oh!
Oh my God!
Oh!
Snapchat, sorry.
Yeah. Look at him. Look at him nose down in the crack.
Dude, that's so...
Oh, no way. Oh. Hold on. Hold on. I'm going to save that. Hold on.
Yeah.
Ooh. Check that out, guys. Big old shark trying to get these sheepshead carcasses. Alright, y'all, so as you just saw, we caught some nice sheepshead. Myself and my little brother Miles on the West Jetty in Destin, Florida. And that was our last fishing trip of our spring break, so we were stoked to catch some really nice sheepshead. We're about to cook these up on the grill. I'm about to put some teriyaki on them. So as y'all can see here, this is the wing meat. So if you can picture the fish, this would be like kind of like the bottom of the chest or like the breast meat, if you can almost picture it. And there's some really nice looking meat in there. When it's on the grill, I'm really looking forward to see what that looks like. And I've actually taken the pliers and just kind of like pulled the rib bones out like pins, and now you're just left with a nice, it's almost like a third fillet on the bottom of the fish. So I'm really excited to try this out on the grill. Should be delicious. This is our charcoal grill. The charcoals look nice and gray, and we're about to toss these nice pieces of fish on. About to get them nice and sauced up. Should be delicious. So as y'all can see, the fish is cooking.
It's done. It's pretty good.
What do you think?
Good.
Which parts did you just try?
Tried that right there.
So you tried.
And
That's
that right there.
That's actually the first pieces of wing meat that we've ever tried in our lives.
Very good.
And that's
I
honestly.
definitely recommend getting it if you want to take.
It's honestly a nice cut of fish that is often overlooked. We did a lemon pepper piece. We did a teriyaki piece, and then we did like an island like pineapple teriyaki with some little like ginger bits, I believe, and sesame seeds. You know, I'm really glad that we were able to utilize a new piece of the fish, which is this chest piece or the wing meat as they call it, and it looks delicious. We've just been trying some bits. We couldn't help ourselves, and I mean, it just looks good. We did some lemon pepper, some teriyaki, and all that. And we're about to cook up some rice and enjoy this fish. So I'll get a live look at our plate in just a second. Delicious with some teriyaki marinade and some delicious lemon pepper seasoning. So I'm glad we're able to use some new parts of the fish. Make sure that I'm wasting even less of the fish that I'm harvesting. So this worked out really well, and this was a delicious meal.